give us an
I think
idea.
Indian wickets will always suits any spinner. So yes, we know we are playing in India. We back our strength, but we'll have to wait and watch, wait and see how it behaves from day number one. But in India, there's always assistance for spinners. So yeah, we'll have to wait and see.
Yes, Shamik Chakravarti followed by Niru Bhatia.
Uh, Ajinkya, after such a high in Australia, sometimes it might happen. I mean, when especially a team is playing in home, the conditions that are well known to the players and
Sorry,
starting
can
as
you repeat your
favorites.
question?
Uh,
Sorry.
yeah. Ajinkya, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. Okay. So, Ajinkya, I'm saying after the high in Australia, sometimes there is an outside chance, or it might happen, just maybe it can happen that when India are playing or any team is playing at home and starting as favorites on paper at least. Uh, complacency might creep in the sense that on the heels of such a fantastic series win, momentum is with the team. So, is this an issue you have talked with the boys in the group, especially with the youngsters?
Not at all. We know every series, every game is really important, especially this Test Championship. What happened in Australia that was really special, but that's past again. We were thinking about this series, this game particularly, and taking one game at a time. So I don't think we do we have to think too much about complacency or any other. We know that what's our strength, and we know how the Indian wicket behavior. We still respect England team. They are a very good team. They did really well in Sri Lanka. So basically, we have to play good cricket, back our strengths, and play as a team here.
Niru Bhatia, are you there?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Hi, Ajinkya. Congratulations and thanks. My
Thank you.
question is, can you explain or talk about the process of like, leaving the last series behind? You've had a very short gap to recover, rest, and then start again from scratch, literally against a different and equally tough or opposition. It's not going to. It's a long series. It's going to be quite draining again. So, can you just talk about the process? How you people have been able to switch off from the previous Australia series and switch on to the England series?
See, when we came back from Australia, I mean, as I said earlier, that Australia was really special for us. We did enjoy our victory, especially that night in Brisbane, and also when we came back home. But again, as I said, that we are in the present now. What we learned from Australia was after losing the Test match in Adelaide, how we came back. So it's all about staying in the moment, staying in that moment. So we respect England team as well. We're not going to take them lightly. For us, what is important that playing good brand of cricket, what we've been playing since last 2-3 years, and just play as a team, play as a unit. So as I said, that we are not taking anything for granted. It's all about taking one match at a time and then going into the series.
Yes, Venkat Krishna. Venkat. Okay, Vishesh Roy.
Hi Ajinkya. You must have heard
Hi.
about the Australia-South Africa series cancellation and New Zealand progressing to the World Test Championship finals. India is certainly a favorite to reach the final. So how exciting would it be for your team to play the World Test Championship finals, as all you guys pride yourself on playing the longest format of the game?
See, right now we are just focusing on this series, this game, Chennai game. Test Championship final still, I think, another 3-4 months from now. We are not thinking about that. New Zealand played really well, and they deserve to be there. For us, what is important that we are playing against England now. It's all about taking one game at a time against them. As I said that, and I've been saying this, that England is a very good team. We have to play good cricket, and then we'll see what happens after the series.
Yes, Venkat, have you joined in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ajinkya, you entered the bio bubble like the rest of us around August 21st, and it's been like 6 months, and you have another month again to be in a bio bubble. I mean, you're gonna be seeing the same faces almost every day. Like, what are you guys like? How are you guys like coping up with this? Are you guys doing something behind the scenes? Can you just talk us about, because at the end of the day, you don't want you to be tired mentally as well, right?
We're not mentally tired at all. We are really tough mentally, and we are as a unit. We are as a family. So we are enjoying each other's company here. We are spending time in a team room. Families are here, which is really important and which is really good. So we are not at all tired, and we are really mentally tough.
Yes, Khurram Habib, and followed by Sydney Kiran.
Yeah, hi Ajinkya. Have you decided on the 11, like stuff like 2 spinners or 3 spinners? Have you given some kind of a rough draft to the team?
Not yet, not yet. We'll decide that tomorrow after our practice session, and we'll see about the combination.
Yes, Sydney Kiran.
Okay. Hi, Ajinkya. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Ajinkya, so you led the team so well in the last 3 matches, and you and Virat have a very wonderful partnership. You two guys are different as chalk and cheese, but you all get along really, really well, be it in the on-field partnerships or even in the decision making and this one. So just tell us about the camaraderie, the relationship that you all have that is driving you two guys together and the team forward.
See, my job is to take a back seat and try and help Virat. As a captain, there are too many things in captain's mind. So, as a vice captain, you have to visualize the situation, think about what can happen in the game, and then if captain asks you for some suggestions, you should be ready. So, my job is really easy. I take a back seat. Whenever required, I'll go and tell him, or whenever he asks me about certain things, I'll just go and tell him. So it's all about, I think, that helps us a lot. For me personally, I generally take a backseat whenever I'm the vice captain.
Yes, Sriram Vera, if you're there.
Yeah, hi. I just wanted to know about is Hardik Pandya bowling in the net, and any chance of you guys including Akshar Patel after seeing how well the Sri Lankan left-arm spinner bowled against England?
I'm not going to tell about Hardik Pandya. He's in the squad and he's working really hard on his game as a bowler and also as a batsman. About Akshar Patel, as I said, that we are going to take a call tomorrow about what will be our combination about this for this game. So yeah, you have to wait and see.
Yes, we shall now take some questions from the UK media, Dean Wilson and Ali Martin.
Yeah, hi Ajinkya. You touched on Virat's return. Obviously, a couple of big names coming back for England as well, Ben Stokes and Jofra Archer. Of those three, who do you think is going to have the biggest impact on this series?
See, we are here. We are thinking about playing as a unit. Yes, Virat is back, which is really positive sign for us. He's been batting really well, and you know his record. So we are really happy that he's back. Ben Stokes and Archer, they are really good players. They did really well for England. So it's not about any individual. I think it's all about the team. England team, they're a very, very good team, balanced team, and they did really well recently against Sri Lanka. So for us, what is important that we plan against all their guys and just play as a team here and back our strengths.
Yeah, Ali Martin.
Hi, Ajinkya. I was just wondering, how happy were you to hand the captaincy back to Virat? And does his return to the camp, does that bring fresh energy that perhaps guards against any complacency or bringing people back down to earth after the Australia win?
See, Virat is the captain. He left from Australia because of family reasons, and that's why I became the captain. But originally, Virat is the captain and I'm the vice captain. So I'm really happy that he's back with us, which is really positive side. And as a team, we are just focusing on playing together, playing as a unit, and just playing to our strengths.
Yeah. Sanju Samyal.
Ajinkya, how are you feeling about your own batting form, and what are you looking at from this series? And now you'll be back at number 5. So, any adjustments are needed, like mentally?
Yeah, a little bit adjustment needed, but at the moment I've been batting really well. It's all about, I think, what team requires in that particular situation and bat accordingly. For me, it's all about contribution for the team rather than thinking about my own performance or my own outcome. So yeah, I think I'll give my 100% whatever team requires in that certain situation, and I
cricket, but you also are, of course, in IPL. Now, in case if you are planning to, I'm sure you must be planning for a comeback in the white ball cricket. How difficult it is for you to show your skills in red ball cricket while being in contention for white ball cricket for India?
When you play Test cricket, it's all about what requires in that form. So yeah, I'm not thinking about white ball cricket while playing Test cricket. Whenever I come back into white ball cricket, I'll think about my team. But right now, whatever team requires in that certain situation, I'll bat accordingly. And it's a different ball game altogether. Red ball, game changes completely. Every session is really important, so you play accordingly. So yes, whenever I come back in ODI team, I'll think about that. But right now, it's all about focusing on one Test match and then about this series.
Yes, we'll take 3 more questions, and the final one in English. Anuj Mishra, ANI.
Ajinkya, you had smashed 100 against England at Lords in 2014, and against Broad, Butler, Moeen Ali, Ben Stokes, and they all playing in the same team in the upcoming series also. So, have you prepared something differently, considering that now you are playing in India?
Not really. I think we know our condition in India, especially if we are playing after, I think, 2 years in India. So it's all about, I think, personally backing my own game, what team requires, and then just play accordingly. So yeah, I'm going to keep it really simple.
Yes. Sanjeev Kumar.
हाय अजिंक्य।
हाय।
हाँ, मेरा सवाल ये है कि ज्यादातर इंग्लैंड के बहुत सारे प्लेयर खेलते हैं आईपीएल में, और जैसे ऑस्ट्रेलिया के भी बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स आईपीएल में खेलते हैं। तो जो बॉलर्स होते हैं आपस में टाइम बिताते हैं, बैट्समैन भी नेट्स पर खेलते हैं उनके बॉलर्स को। तो इसका कितना फायदा होता है जब उनके माइंडसेट को आप समझते हैं, उनके साथ आप टाइम गुजारते हैं, उनके साथ आप नेट्स पे बैटिंग या बॉलिंग करते हैं, तो उसका हेल्प कितना मिलता है?
देखिए, आईपीएल में जरूर हम खेलते हैं, लेकिन टेस्ट क्रिकेट और आईपीएल एकदम ही अलग है। पता है कि हमें उनके बॉलर्स यहाँ पे आके कैसे डालते हैं, बट जैसे मैंने कहा कि लेंस कंप्लीटली अलग होते हैं टेस्ट क्रिकेट में, व्हाइट बॉल में कंप्लीटली अलग होता है। हम लोग जो कुछ आईपीएल में करते हैं, हम कुछ ऐसे नहीं कि हम सारी चीजें उनको बताते हैं। आई थिंक वो बहुत जरूरी होता है आपके लिए। तो देखिए, आईपीएल और टेस्ट क्रिकेट कंप्लीटली अलग है। यस, हम काफी सारा क्रिकेट एक साथ खेले हैं, बट जब आप कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, इट्स ऑल अबाउट, आई थिंक, आप कैसे बेस्ट दे सकते हो इंडिव्हिज्युअली और एज अ टीम।
येस, फायनल वन, सुनंदन सर।
अजिंक्य, फील कसा येतोय? आणि दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणजे नेहमी आपण फास्ट बॉलिंगची तयारी करतो जेव्हा आपण ऑस्ट्रेलिया वगैरे सारख्या ठिकाणी इंग्लंडमध्ये खेळतो, पण आता घरच्या मैदानावर आपण स्पिनरचा चॅलेंज म्हणतो समोरच्यांना आहे, पण तो चॅलेंज आपल्याला पण असतो। त्याची तयारी तुम्ही लोक किती मनापासून करताय? कारण त्यांचे स्पिनर्सही चांगले आहेत।
हे नक्कीच चॅलेंज असतं आपल्यासाठी जेव्हा आपण इंडियामध्ये खेळतो। असं नाही की फक्त त्यांच्यासाठी चॅलेंज असतं, आपल्यासाठी तेवढंच चॅलेंज असतं। त्यांचे स्पिनर्सही चांगले आहेत। मला वाटतं की आपले प्रिपरेशन चांगले असणं फार महत्वाचं आहे, जरी आपण इंडियामध्ये खेळतो, आणि ते आपण नेहमी करत आलोय। आपण नेहमी कुठल्याच टीमला लाईटली नाही घेतलंय, आणि ते फार महत्वाचं असतं। जेव्हा आपण बाहेर जातो तेव्हा आपल्याला माहिती आहे की काय चॅलेंजेस असतात, पण जेव्हा इंडियामध्ये खेळतो तेव्हा तेवढंच डबली प्रिपेअर करणं फार महत्वाचं आहे। असं नाही की आपल्याला कंडिशन्स माहिती आहेत इंडियाच्या तर आपण कमी प्रिपरेशन करतो। मला वाटतं जेव्हा आपण इंडियामध्ये खेळतो तर ते जेवढे प्रिपरेशन आपण बाहेर जातो आणि करतो त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त प्रिपरेशन आपल्याला इंडियामध्ये असताना करावे लागतात. आणि टेस्ट क्रिकेटमध्ये तेच आहे, डिसिप्लिन आणि किती तुम्ही मेंटली टफ आहात ते फार महत्वाचं असतं. तर आमचे प्रिपरेशन लास्ट 2 दिवस फार चांगले होते. अजून 1 दिवस आहे प्रॅक्टिस सेशन. तर नक्कीच तेवढा इम्पॉर्टन्स द्यायचा असतो की त्यांचे काय स्पिनर्स आहेत, काय ते बॉलिंग करतात, काय त्यांचे स्ट्रॅटेजीज असतात. त्याप्रमाणे तुमचा गेम प्लॅन असणं फार महत्वाचं आहे. सो जेव्हा आपण इंडियामध्ये खेळतो तर मला वाटतं तेवढंच डबली आपल्याला प्रिपेअर करावं लागतं.
आणि फील कसा येतोय?
फील नक्कीच चांगला येतोय. ऑस्ट्रेलियामधनं आपण एवढं मोठी सिरीज जिंकून आलो आहे. ते 2-3 दिवस फारच चांगलं वाटत होतं, बट नंतर मनाला आणि माइंडला सांगावं लागत होतं की नाही, जे झालं ते एक हिस्ट्री आहे, पास्ट आहे. आता प्रेझेंट मध्ये राहणं, या मुवमेंट मध्ये राहणं फार महत्वाचं आहे आणि या सिरीज साठी काय इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, महत्वाचं आहे, त्याप्रमाणे प्रिपेअर करणं गरजेचं आहे.
थैंक यू एवरीवन.
थैंक यू.
अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें और हाँ, हमें सब्सक्राइब और फॉलो करना ना भूलें ताकि आप क्रिकेट की कोई खबर मिस ना करें. चाहे स्पोर्ट्स की ब्रेकिंग न्यूज हो या क्रिकेट का कोई अपडेट, प्लेयर्स की मस्ती हो या फिर मैदान पर लाइव एक्शन, हर वीडियो मिलेगा न्यूज़ 24 स्पोर्ट्स पर. हम कंट्रोवर्सीज भी मिस नहीं करते, तो जुड़िए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए न्यूज़ 24 स्पोर्ट्स.